Hey guys, my name is Evan. Welcome to Burning Rice. Here we have our most popular item and my favorite, the hot stone bowl with spicy bulgogi and everything on. Burning Rice was created to bring the beauty of Korean food to you. Fun fact, these hot stone bowls are cooked over an open flame. That develops that special crispy rice for you to enjoy. One of the most popular side items are our extra crispy Korean ribs. People love them. There's various proteins, toppings, really customized however you'd like. Thanks for checking us out at Burning Rice.